Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Today we're at 2465 Sandtrap Court in Pickering. We're at an awesome, secluded North Pickering community, but guess what? We're not too far away from all the shopping amenities, 407, 401. It's like being in the city, but you have almost an acre of property. Also, what we have is this amazing bungalow. It's 2,100 square feet. It's a bungalow, so you got 2,100 square feet below there too, and an awesome little second story loft. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. Alright guys, what'd you think about that tour? Awesome house, right? Something you guys may have missed, in the basement. So there used to be a kitchen there, but guess what? All the roughing is there. So the water, the electrical, everything you need to reset that kitchen is still down there. So if you have a multi-generational family, you need to reset that kitchen, you want a little side income, rent it out, yep, absolutely possible. You could definitely reset that kitchen. I need you guys to let me know what you think about this property. Like this post, send me a DM, leave a comment, share it with your friends. And until next time, guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.